How to scan QR code on Discord mobile. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to scan QR code on Discord mobile. So first is you have to make sure that your Discord application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and just type in Discord. And here, if you will see an update button, just like this, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So what you want to do next is to go to your homepage and open Discord. And basically, your Discord, you will be led here. Now, all you have to do is to go to your bottom part, look to your bottom part, and you will see the different icons. So you click on your profile icon and then scroll. You have to scroll down and see the scan QR code. Now, if you click on that, you will be directed here. You will see your camera here. So what you want to do next is to prepare your, let's say, your laptop or your desktop to log in directly by just using the QR code. Now, in able to do that is you will see this square part. All you have to do is to set it properly on that, and it is now reading. Now it will say, are you trying to log in on the computer? And if it will say, are you trying to log in on the computer, and then all you have to do is to confirm. And then as you can see, you are already in, and you are now logged in on your desktop. And you may want to go to your desktop and check if you've logged in, and I have already checked it. I'm already logged in the Discord account. So basically, that is how you scan QR code on Discord mobile. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.